Hi, I'm Laura, and today we're going to take a tour of a gorgeous custom-built home that's located right across from the Deer Valley Mountain Resort. It's a Japanese meets Scandinavian home. It has the most panoramic views in the exclusive Skyridge mountain community. Come on with me, let's go take a look. This home features 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, 3 garage bays, and it's about 5,400 square feet. To buy a home like this, you'd be looking at least $6 million. That'd be totally worth it. There is so much attention to detail that has gone into this luxury home. The timeless styles of both the Japanese and the Scandinavian architecture focuses on simplicity, the natural elements and comfort, and certainly captures the serenity of the mountains that it surrounds. This home has gorgeous outdoor spaces. I love how it seamlessly flows from the indoors to the outdoor. You'll love the double island, gorgeous gourmet kitchen. It's got a butler's pantry. There's so many wonderful things I could say about this home. I mean, from the wall design to the rooms, you'll just feel the comfort and serenity and peace as you walk through this home. Let's go take this property tour. And meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe. This channel is a one-stop all. We cover everything from market stats, where to live, how to sell a home, how to buy a home, and of course we have these wonderful tours for you. And meanwhile, stay tuned for the next tour. you.